In today's video, I'm excited to guide you through the process of adding a photo widget to your iPhone's home screen with ease. Make sure to watch until the end to get it just right. And let's jump right in. To start, find an empty spot on your home screen and press and hold it until the edit mode activates. Next, click the plus icon. In the menu that appears, scroll down to locate the photo widget. It should appear like this. If it isn't visible right away, just continue scrolling until you see photos. Now you can choose any widget you want to add. There are two main categories, Featured and Album. Each category offers 3 different sizes for the widget. If you would like to display specific pictures, I recommend opting for the album option. I will select the medium size. To place the widget on your home screen, just tap here. To customize it, tap on the widget once. You will see options to change the album. By default, it will show random images from your favorites. However, you can easily switch to a different album. For instance, I will pick a specific one from the list. That is how simple it is. You can also access the Photos app. Go to Albums and create a new album by typing the plus button. Just give it a name like Test 1. Then you can select multiple photos from this album by choosing them individually. For example, I have selected 6 photos and will hit Add to include them in my newly created album. To change the album displayed in the widget, long press on it. Select Edit Widget and pick your new album from the list. And that's it. You have successfully added and set up a photo widget on your iPhone's home screen. If this video was useful, please give it a thumb up.